calming whole health approach, we need to be looking at everything: food intolerances, macronutrients, blood sugar stability. We want to be looking at stress, sex hormone balance, nutrient density, getting that digestion working, making sure organic food's going in so there's no toxins. We want to be supporting the vagus nerve, which is about like calming, relaxation, deep breath work. Structural balance can really, really help. So if there's any kinesiologists listening to this, there are some really interesting muscles, particularly around the shoulders and upper back and neck, that are linked in with the immune system. So someone with an autoimmune issue can often have issues in this top half of the body. So if you are a kinesiologist, then working structurally with the body. If you are a wellness coach, then getting partnerships with kinesiologists or with physios or with good physios and osteopaths who are able to work structurally to get the body back in line, because it can often go out of kilter, and that causes more stress. So we want to be supporting the structure as well. Immune support, not boosting. We want to be looking at having questions around medications, getting them to check if they're on medications, looking at things like side effects that can be adding stress to the body, or if they're on the pill, or if they're on repeated doses of antibiotics. We cannot make recommendations on medication, which we say over and over again. However, we can have a dialogue and an inquiry with our clients around their medications, so they feel equipped to go and speak to their doctors about what they're on. Exercise is an interesting one. I'm going to come back to that stimulation. When you're putting loads of stimulation in the body, exercise that is relaxing and opening the body can be a better choice. Being in nature, making sure they're sleeping. We're going to talk about supplements. Emotional resilience, asking that question about self-attack. Boundaries is a big thing in all conditions, actually. It's a big thing that we work with coaching, is when someone doesn't have any boundaries, then they've got no self-protection. So the immune system is going to be like, oh, so like helping someone to put some boundaries in their life is going to be key. Environmental toxins and self-love practices. Oh my God, there is so much that we can do. And this is so supportive of whatever they are doing medically. It's looking at the whole person rather than the condition, which is absolutely the way that we approach this.